Welcome to the skill building workshop on Arduino. I am Mr. Rahul Shimpi, RJ's World of Electronics, Nasik. In this session, we will learn about PIR sensor and its application. PIR, it's a passive infrared sensor. It has three pins: VCC, ground, and output pin. Output of this sensor is either high or low, so this is a digital type of sensor. This sensor is called as motion sensor. A passive infrared sensor is an electronic sensor that measures infrared light radiating from the object in its field of view. They are most often used in PIR-based motion detector. PIR sensors are commonly used in security alarms and automatic lighting application. Let us see the circuit connection details. This shows the circuit connection for sensor with Arduino. Pin 1 of the sensor is connected to the ground pin of the Arduino. Pin 2 of the sensor is connected to the digital pin of Arduino. Pin 3 of the sensor is connected to 5-volt pin of the Arduino. I have connected the sensor with Arduino as per the circuit diagram. Now we will write the program in Arduino IDE. Let me explain the program. So this is the same program as we have seen for the push button. Instead of push button, here we are using the sensor. So sensor makes the things automate. First, I have defined the integer LED pin is equal to 13. Next line is integer input pin is equal to 4. As the output of the PIR sensor is connected to the pin number 4 of the Arduino board. So here this pin will act as an input for the Arduino board. Next, I have defined the integer value is equal to 0. Next, in void setup function, as the LED is an output defined, so I need to define this pin as an output. So pin mode 13, comma output. Next, I have defined input pin, comma input. That is, pin number 4 will act as an input pin. Next, I have called serial.begin open bracket 9600 bracket close semicolon. It will initialize the serial monitor as I want to display some text on serial monitor whether the motion is present or motion is absent. Next, I have defined val is equal to digital read in bracket input pin. So this function will check the status of the pin number 4 of Arduino whether it is having the high value or low value. Next is the conditional statement. If val double equal to high, so it will compare the value present into val variable with the high value. If both are same, that is val contain high value, then it will enter to the next line, that is serial.print in bracket double quote motion is present or motion is detected. So if motion is present, it will glow the LED. So for that, we have right here digital write 13, comma high. So it will glow the inbuilt LED which is connected at pin number 13. If motion is absent, the PIR sensor sends the low value at pin number 4. So the val content low value and low is not equal to high. So it will move to the else and it will execute serial.print motion ended. And next is the digital write 13, comma low. So it will turn off the LED. Now let us compile and upload the sketch. See the output on serial monitor and observe the status of inbuilt LED. When motion is present, LED is on, and when motion is absent, LED is off. This brings us to the end of this session. Thank you.